was impossible. Today is the 5th of July 2021. We had to come here because they're going to replace these two elevators here on Lempääläntie 39 MP. This is the guest speak. It's Valkeakoski, Virkaland, Finland. And it was also built in late 1975, finished in 1976, turned 45 years old between 2020 and 21, and the serial number is 31661 with 10 floors. Capacity is 6 floors or 8 floors. It's going to be, would have been inspected in the next year, 2022. Let's take a photo. Check if she's going to use it.
Yeah. No.
Not at the moment. Focus.
Expected parkkimaisuus maintained by also descriptors.
I even thought there's the cleaning woman there, but she was talking something, so I don't know. But
Yeah.
I don't think she is gonna use the elevator yet.
Yeah. No.
This was the only way to get inside.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch this video. All of them still original before the placement.
That's